Hi and welcome back. Today we're going to show you how to get a custom domain, how to locate a good domain name for yourself, where you can buy a good domain name so that you can send people to your professional www.yourdomain.com website. The site I like to use is called Namecheap because it's easy to use, it has great support, and it's very affordable. And we will be rolling with Namecheap so that you can watch and follow all the steps that I'll be doing. Okay, so let's get started. As here, all you have to do is sign up for your account with Namecheap. It's easy to fill out the form and get your account. The next thing you want, if you want to search for a domain, just go to the search box and type in, let's type in work from home. Okay, work from home. Enter. You see that is full, right? It's $260. There's another site that I like to use. It's called, let's go to google.com. Let's type in domain name generator and see what that takes us. This is the one I like right here. It's called domain name generator. Find good domain names ideas instantly. Shopify.com, Tools domain name generator. So let's go there. Inside of here, we can do a search, work from home. Let's try that one, see what happens. As you see, work from home is unavailable. Other domains, workfromhome.net, workfromhome.org, work from home bargains. I want something that's at least 2 words that end in .com. When you get more than 15 characters or more, that's a little bit too much. You want to keep it short and simple so people can remember it. It's one I'm working on that I like. I like it. It's called King Academy. I looked it up earlier. Let's go search for it. See if it's still available. And yes, it is. Nope, unavailable because I got it in the cart. We're going to do this. We're going to copy this. We're going to go back here, domain registration, and there, King Academy, view chart. Okay, there's my site. And if you missed that, I went back to Namecheap, put it in here. I filled out my cart, and it took me to the order form. Okay, and you get a 1-year subscription with a HTTPS. You can auto renew if you like. I'm not. I'm just going to confirm this order. I'm going to pay now. Thinking. And we're going to kill this right here. And there you go. Thank you for your purchase. KingAcademy.com. I got the free Who's support. Next step. So what I do now is I go back to Namecheap. I'll log in. I'm already logged in. Go to my accounts. Come on. List domain. And there it is. kingacademy.com. I'm gonna open this up a little bit. Stick with me here. I'm trying to open this up for you so you can see it. And can we get this other one and get over there? Oh, there we go. And we're gonna move that back over there. Well, there it is right there. kingacademy.com, February 12th. Now in the next video, I'm gonna show you how to hook this up and how to connect this. You can go to manage. Oh my God. And yes, here go our domain name. We can go to manage. And how did we get to manage? We went to our accounts. And then from our accounts, we go to manage. And we can take your domain name and connect it to your products or services that you'll be selling. And we'll finish this in the next video. Thank you for being a part of this episode, and we'll talk to you soon.